This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm covering Google Forms and how to adjust the dimensions of a Google form embedded on a website. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. So I am logged into Google Forms, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish this particular form on a website. I've actually already created the form on a website. This is a Shopify website, but you could actually do the same thing for a WordPress website. What I want to do, I want to change the dimensions. I want to make it wider and taller. This is how to do it. Go to your Google form, press the send button. When you see the send button, you'll see this particular kind of pointy brackets. This is the embed code for the form to put it on another website. It won't work with all websites, but if you're using a WordPress, standard WordPress website or a Shopify, it should work. And if it doesn't, talk to the administrator of the website to figure out what's going on. You can see that the width and height are already programmed in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change 640 px, which means 640 pixels, to 840 pixels. And then the height, I'm going to boost this by another 200 pixels as well. Then I'm going to copy, and you can see this code is highlighted. And I'm going to go back to my form. This is where the original form was put in, and you can see the width and the height, 640 by 739. I'm just going to erase all of that and paste it back in. You can see that I have the editor code here. You can also kind of preview it in the editor itself. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Save, and then I'm going to click Preview. So it's opening up a new version of the form. And I don't know if you can see it. Here's the old version of the form. It was skinnier and it had the scroll bar. The new version of the form, where I've just edited the height and the width, there's no scroll bar, and it's kind of in a wider space across this particular page. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or subscribe on YouTube. And for more information, you can check out my website, in30minutes.com, to get this guide as well as other Google cheat sheets. Thank you so much for watching.